In this guide, we shall discover the perplexing phenomenon of files disappeared from microSD card Android. We'll uncover the various reasons behind this occurrence and outline 9 methods to troubleshoot and resolve the problem, ranging from basic checks to more advanced recovery techniques. Part 2. Files disappeared from microSD card Android? 2 best ways. 2.1 Use microSD for Android. One of the best ways to recover files disappeared from SD card is to utilize a dependable third-party tool like microSD for Android for direct recovery, provided you didn't back it up. How to recover missing files on SD card via microSD for Android. Open the tool, choose SD card recovery mode. Insert the SD card or link your Android phone. The program detects the card. Click Next to scan for lost multimedia files. Step 3. From the left sidebar, select the file types you wish to recover after scanning. Then, pick the specific items you need from the right column. Finally, click the Recover button to retrieve the selected files from the microSD card. Part 3. What to do if files keep disappearing from SD card. Other 7 fixes. 3.1 Unhide SD card files. 3.2 Reinsert SD card. 3.3 Scan for malware. 3.4 Uninstall faulty apps. 3.5 Remove the no media file. 3.6 Try the Windows error checking tool. 3.7 Fix it with command prompt.